For all those people who are unable to get benefits from the implementation of Ayushman Bharat scheme and are left out of this initiative, or unable to provide a stable health insurance plan for themselves and their loving family, here is a golden opportunity. As per the guidelines of IRDA, the Arogya Sanjeevani policy, from your esteemed health insurance provider, the Star Health. Once again, it is a pleasure to announce that India's #1 standalone health insurance company, the Star Health, like every other year, has retained its superiority. The rewards and recognition do speak about for our performance. Star Health has a harmonious tie-up with over 12,000 plus network hospitals to ensure stress-free claims approval and disbursement. One can avail Arogya Sanjeevani policy on an individual or floater basis. Also, you have a wonderful chance to bring your parents and in-laws into this protection umbrella. This policy is simple but powerful in terms of its features. This policy is issued to people aged between 18 to 65 years, either under individual or a floater basis. Dependent children, aged 3 months to 25 years are covered along with their parents. The premium payment options available for this policy are monthly, quarterly, half-yearly and annually. This policy has a variety of 9 different sum insured options to choose from, starting with 1 lakh, then 1.5 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs, 3.5 lakhs, 4 lakhs, 4.5 lakhs and 5 lakh. Room rent allowance is 2% for all sum insured, subject to a maximum of Rs 5,000 per day. ICU provision is 5% for all sum insured, subject to a maximum of Rs 10,000 per day. Additionally, a maximum of Rs 2,000 per hospitalization is covered for expenses incurred on road ambulances. All daycare procedures are covered under this policy, with actuals on pre-hospitalization up to 30 days and post-hospitalization of 60 days. All modern treatment expenses are covered under this policy at 50% of sum insured. That's great. Any medical expenses coming under Ayush is also covered up to the limit of sum insured. No claim bonus can be availed for every claim-free policy year at an additional 5% of sum insured, subject to a maximum of 50%. The policyholder can avail relief under the Section 80D of IT Act. Also, if you reside in a rural area, you are eligible for a 20% discount. To mention about the waiting period in this policy, it is the first 30 days of cover. The standard waiting period is applicable for the first 24 and 48 consecutive months. For any PED, the cover is applicable only after consecutive 48 months. Copay is applicable at only 5% for all claims. Arogya Sanjeevani policy guarantees you and your family a better protection. For more additional information, please visit